Most brands spend money to get attention. Niche hair did the opposite. Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are talking about Niche Hair, a brand that sells hair extensions, but not just that, it built an entire category just based on content. The most interesting part, it did not spend big money on ads. Niche Hair was founded by Parul Gulati in 2017. The business did not start with a great idea. It actually started with the need. She had the need to have hair extensions which were easy, affordable, they looked real. So she made one. Initially, the sales were small, but the need was real and big, and the market was ready for this product. The marketing strategy of Niche Hair in the beginning was very clear. They wanted to rely on their content to make it big. Parul Gulati became the face of the brand. Content was created around the product, how the product is used, what problem it solves, etc. etc. This did not feel like marketing. This actually felt like explaining to people why they can use this product, how it is meant for everyone. This built a lot of trust in people and actually led to a big growth for the brand. And then came the growth trigger. It was the Shark Tank moment where Parul Gulati said,
The Sharks, मैं निश हेयर की मालकिन
Nice.
is asking
I like that word, Malkin.
first time on Shark Tank.
This moment went viral, and Parul Gulati did not let it go to waste. She actually patented the word Malkin. Her personality became the brand positioning. This resulted in a lot of people creating memes around it. This resulted in a lot of people creating reels on the audio that she created. This also gave people a very high recall value, and this resulted eventually in her brand getting a good funding from investors. The brand followed a customer-centric approach. They did not ignore the hesitations and questions people have towards hair extensions. They were not pushing the product to people. They were actually educating people about how the product can be used, how their questions are valid. The brand has now expanded. Niche Hair has stores across India, and it also has an abroad presence in Dubai. She has also not just launched one product, but a whole range of products that give different solutions to people for various problems. Their core, however, remains unchanged. Content is first, trust is first, problem solving is the motive of this brand. This led to people having lesser hesitations. They were more accepting to the product. They accepted the product for themselves, not as a symbol of something they lacked, but as something that solved a problem for them and made them feel better and more beautiful. There are a few lessons here. Number 1, content can actually build a brand and not just support it. Number 2, trust matters more than reach. Once people start trusting your brand, the reach will follow. Number 3, your personal story can actually become your biggest marketing tool. Number 4, when something works for you, like a viral Malkin moment, you don't just let it go. You harp on it, you invest in it and make it into your brand. Niche Hair did not just grow because it was shouting out content. The content it created had meaning, it was solving problem and building trust. And this is why the brand is still present strongly in the market. If you've liked this video till here, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to us, and thank you for watching.